If you are trying to build an online income using strategies from 2 years ago, your business is already dead. Most beginners log into ChatGPT, prompt it to write an article, and copy the raw output to a client. That guarantees you 0 paying clients. Instead, everyday people are solving specific business bottlenecks with 7 high-demand AI services. We are going to start with simple freelance services that can generate $500 a month and work our way up to an automated e-commerce machine scaling past $50,000. You do not need a secret algorithm hack. You build real wealth by using AI to solve actual, everyday business bottlenecks. The fastest way to generate initial cash flow is through our first tier: AI content creation, thumbnail design, and voiceovers. Digital brands are desperate for constant content. If their click-through rate drops or they miss a posting schedule, they lose revenue. You can deliver this content fast using ChatGPT for copywriting, Midjourney for custom images, and 11 Labs to generate human-sounding audio. Warning tone: but handing over cluttered images or robotic, breathless audio will get you fired immediately. This diagram illustrates the difference between an amateur and a professional. By stripping a thumbnail down to a strict maximum of 3 elements, or manually editing natural pauses into an AI voiceover, you add the human curation that commands $500 to $3,000 a month. The software handles the heavy lifting, leaving your specific editorial taste as the actual product you sell. From there, we move to high-income, business-to-business systems, AI video editing, customer service chatbots, and automation agencies. Companies lose thousands of dollars every month paying staff to handle manual data entry and basic customer support. You replace those inefficiencies using Opus Clip to mass-produce viral shorts, VoiceFlow to capture leads 24 hours a day, and Zapier to link their back-end software. When you sit down with a local business owner, do not pitch them on artificial intelligence. They do not care about the underlying technology. This bar chart compares the sheer volume of hours a company wastes on manual data entry against the fraction of that time required by a Zapier workflow. When you pitch a quantifiable solution, like reclaiming 10 hours a week or running a 24/7 sales desk, you can command retainers up to $10,000. Scaling to 5-figure months requires a shift in mindset. You stop selling your time as a freelancer and start selling systemic efficiency as a consultant. That brings us to the final and most lucrative strategy: building an AI-assisted e-commerce brand. You start by identifying low-competition physical products using a research tool like Helium-10, then use ChatGPT and Midjourney to craft highly targeted niche branding. Once you source the product, it goes to an Amazon FBA facility, like the one pictured here. Their automated systems pick, pack, and ship your inventory directly to the buyer. Amazon has an incredibly high conversion rate, often around 15%, because buyers already trust the platform. But people only search for items they already know they want. You solve that discovery problem using TikTok Shop. The TikTok algorithm is built to push new, unseen products to massive audiences for free. When users discover your item on TikTok, they routinely jump to Amazon to make the purchase, relying on the trusted delivery speed shown here. This diagram maps out step 1 of the flywheel effect. Viral discovery on TikTok pushes a massive spike of traffic directly into your Amazon listing. Step 2 completes the loop. That initial spike in Amazon sales boosts your organic search ranking, generating passive daily sales, which gives you the cash flow to fund even more viral TikTok content, scaling compounding revenue past $50,000 a month. This strategy bridges the gap between digital attention and physical retail. You are building an equity-backed asset that operates while you sleep. The technology we have today gives a single person the operational power of an entire corporation. But if you try to start an automation agency, edit short-form videos, and launch an Amazon store all at the exact same time, your lack of focus will guarantee failure. Pick exactly one of these 7 vehicles. Master its specific software tools, and commit to executing it exclusively for the next 90 days. Financial freedom requires deep, sustained focus. Knowing the technology exists is useless unless you actually put it to work.